What's going on everybody, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a relatively quick and simple tomato ketchup. To get this started, with one large brown onion, I'm just going to take both ends off, cut it in half, and peel the skin off. We're then going to thinly slice these on a half moon. Then with 3 cloves of garlic, we're just going to cut the root end off. We're then going to make thin strips and then come across and thinly slice. Then here I have a 1-inch piece of ginger. We're just going to peel this, and an easy way to do that is with a teaspoon. We're then going to grate the ginger. Then in a medium to large heavy base saucepan, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and add our 1 sliced onion. We're then going to slowly cook this and bring it to a high temperature. Then once the onion reaches a hot temperature, we're going to fry it off for 6 minutes. We're going to stir this every minute or so. And with the onions, make sure you keep stirring, as we don't want them to colour too much, because if they do colour too much, it will discolour the end product, and that's not what we want. If you find they are browning off too quickly, just turn down the heat. Then after 6 minutes, I'm going to turn this down to a medium heat, add our 3 cloves of chopped garlic, our 15 grams of grated ginger, and half a teaspoon of allspice powder. I'm going to mix all of that through. And we're going to fry this off for about 1 minute, making sure to keep moving it around, as the allspice powder will burn to the bottom of the pan. Then after 1 minute, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and fry that off for another minute. Then I'm going to add 1 can or 400 grams of whole tomatoes. Mix that through. We're then going to add 1/3 of a cup of light brown sugar and 1/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. And you can substitute the apple cider vinegar for white malt vinegar. We're then going to mix all of this through. We're then going to put this back onto a high heat and bring the mixture to a simmer. Then once this is at a simmer, we're going to turn it down to a low heat and allow this to cook away for 17 minutes. and every 5 minutes or so, just come through and give it a little stir. Then after 17 minutes, I'm going to turn this off the heat, and you'll notice that the sauce is starting to thicken up. We're then going to blend all this together with a bar mix. We're then going to move this away from the heated area and allow it to completely cool down to room temperature. And if you'd like, you can still serve this sauce whilst it's hot. Then once this has cooled down, we can then serve it up. And this recipe makes about 3 cups of ketchup, and stored in a sterilised jar, we can put this in the fridge and it will last up to 1 month. And unfortunately, you can't be impatient with this sauce, because if you put it in the fridge whilst it's still hot, it will go sour. I wouldn't recommend freezing this, because when you freeze it, it will produce a lot of water and you'll lose quite a bit of the flavour. And in my next video, I'll be using this ketchup as a base. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification so you stay up to date with everything that I do on my channel and you never miss when I upload. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button down below. And if there's anything you'd like to see or learn, just let me know in the comments below. And I'd love to hear your feedback on this video. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use.